Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your lips look bigger in a video or photo using CapCut. So here I'm going to just use a photo, but you can apply this feature also to a video. So what you guys need to do is just click on the photo or video that you want to edit, and then find the retouch option. Click on the face, and then in here click on reshape. Okay, so there are so many options. We just need to go to the mouth option, and here to adjust to make your lips look plumper, you can just click on the lip augmentations option, this one, and adjust the dots in here to the right to make your lips look bigger. Like this, you can see the difference. This is the original, and here is the one with the retouch feature. So after that, click on the check icon, and you can see the difference before and after. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.